In a beautiful village, there lived a hardworking farmer named Ramu. He was very hardworking and honest. He was highly respected in the village. But there was one big problem in his life. He had four sons: Shyam, Ganu, Balu, and Mohan. All four had very different personalities and they were always fighting with each other. Sometimes over farming work, sometimes over money, and sometimes over very small issues. There was constant conflict in the house. Ramu often advised them, "My children, stay united. True strength lies in unity." But the sons never listened. One day Ramu was very worried. He thought, "Today things are fine because I am here, but what will happen after me?" He came up with an idea. The next morning, he called all his sons into the courtyard. He had four simple sticks in his hand. "Each of you take one stick and break it," he said calmly. The sons thought this is very easy. Shyam broke his stick instantly. Ganu did the same. Balu and Mohan also broke theirs easily. They laughed and said, "Father, why did you give us such an easy task?" Ramu said nothing. He went inside and brought a large bundle of sticks. "Now try to break this bundle." Shyam tried but failed. Ganu tried, no success. Balu and Mohan also tried but failed. All four were tired, but the bundle remained unbroken. Ramu said, "When you stay separate, you are like a single stick, weak. But when you stay united, you become strong like this bundle. With unity, no problem is too big." The sons realized their mistake. "Father, we were wrong. From now on, we will stay united." They apologized to each other. Time passed, they worked together. Their home was filled with happiness and peace. People in the village started saying, "This is true strength, the strength of unity." Moral of the story: true strength lies in unity. When we stay together, no problem feels too big.